So, Angry Bird balloons.
Angry
water balloons.
Angry water balloons. Oh God.
All right, and look at all that. Oh my gosh. And here on my lap is the slingshot. And it's going to go to those piggies down there. So, da 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 da. Oh, they're ready, Jesse. Are you ready to catapult them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do sparkle one.
Okay. I got it. I got it. Okay. Let me put this between my legs.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, make sure it's still recording. Just don't get my face. I don't really feel like everybody looking at me on the universe with no makeup on or anything.
Yeah, it's not recording your face.
Okay. All right. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh,
Oh.
it popped. All right, let's get another one.
I'll just.
We're gonna need more birds. Uh-oh.
All right, get him.
Woo!
Oh, this one goes up into 3 when he shoots out, huh?
Okay. I'm ready for this one. Whee!
Okay.
Yay!
We did it. Hey,
Look at all our angry
can you
birds.
do it? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh.
That's good pig snorting. Okay, which one's next?
Let's do this.
Which bird is that? Can you show everybody which bird that is?
Can you show me what bird that is, Jesse?
What is it?
The toucan.
The toucan.
Okay. You want to try it on the catapult again?
No,
Okay.
it's too hard.
Can I try one myself? No? Okay. I'll just leave it at that. Oh!
Yay!
I can't snort.
Look at that. Or Angry Birds.
All right. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Save us.
Oh, that's the nest. That's the egg nest.
Got 3 angry pigs.
Three pigs. 3 pigs.
3
We
pigs
have
left.
The
That one,
king and the helmet
that one,
and
that
the
one.
girl.
Now we do the helmet pig.
Oh! That hurts to snort.
Ooh, that does. And we have the girl pig left. And the helmet pig. And the king pig.
Big cat. Oh, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Oh, did we get the king? Oh, yeah. Oh, and the girl pig.
Wow!
Awesome.
Now we get to shoot. Now we just get to shoot off the angry birds.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
You want to just throw the angry birds?
No.
Now what are you going to do?
No. Scoop.
Oh, scoot.
Yeah.
See what he's got
There.
going?
Oh,
Did you see what he's got going? He just fell over. Did you see that?
Yeah. Man, this is cool playing angry
wee!
balloons. Angry balloons. That's what it is. I'd forgotten.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Angry water balloons.
How to play? First you got to get so many angry water balloons. Shoot the angry pig balloons in the grass.
All right.
And don't let them fall. Okay?
Okay.